Today's video covers the best 5 drawing tablets and key buying factors ranked by performance, price, and durability. See the description for details and prices. Xencelabs Pen Display 24 takes the top spot in our guide to the best drawing tablets, and for good reason. As the latest release from this renowned brand, it offers an exceptional blend of responsiveness, design, and build quality. Measuring a massive 24 inches in width, this tablet features unique anti-glare glass that is both smudge and scratch resistant. Professionals will appreciate its 4K resolution, 99% Adobe RGB, and anti-glare etched glass. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 comes fully equipped with all necessary accessories and cables, including an inbuilt stand, stylus clips, a quick key remote, and 2 pen styluses, one for 2D art and another for 3D and animations. Additional accessories like a drawing glove, cleaning cloths, and rubber feet ensure that this tablet remains secure on your desk. Overall, the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 is the ultimate choice for professionals seeking top-tier performance and quality. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 stands out as an affordable yet highly capable pen display, offering impressive technology at a lower cost. It features a leading-edge stylus with 16,284 levels of pressure sensitivity and a design innovation that relocates the quick keys from the tablet to a remote, providing more drawing space. This pen display boasts a thoughtful design, including a large curved bar at the bottom for wrist support, a clean overall look, and a hidden folding stand at the rear. The subtle buttons and curved edge add to its ergonomic appeal. Easy to set up and use, this pen display is ideal for digital art creation, equipped with a customizable quick key remote and a robust stand. The standout feature is the stylus, which delivers exceptional sensitivity and performance. XP Pen offers an array of accessories that other brands like Wacom typically charge extra for, making it a fantastic choice for students due to its affordability, quality construction, and reliability. Additionally, it can function as both a drawing tablet and a second screen. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 is a standout in the realm of drawing tablets, celebrated for its cutting-edge designs and trusted as the premium choice by professionals due to its industry-grade standards. This model continues that legacy, serving both as a high-end monitor and a powerful creative tool with its superior color accuracy, 120 Hz 4K display, and innovative weight-customizable pen. It offers extensive customization options, from accessories to multiple mounting configurations, catering to diverse professional needs. However, such top-tier quality and versatility come at a significant cost, which may be prohibitive for the average hobbyist. The One by Wacom drawing tablet is an excellent choice for those who frequently move between locations with their laptop or need a simple, quick setup editing aid. Its design is basic yet pleasing, and initial installation on Windows or macOS is straightforward. Chromebook users will appreciate the plug-and-play functionality with no setup required. During our test with the small version, a medium version is also available. We were impressed by its ease of use and the ample customization options for performance adjustments. While it lacks the shortcut buttons found on larger drawing tablets, the pen does include a couple of buttons. Our main criticism of the pen is its light and plasticky feel, lacking the heft of other Wacom pens. Despite this, the One by Wacom remains a highly convenient editing tool that can be easily stored in the supplied pouch when not in use. The HUION Kamvas Pro 4K features a stunning 23.8-inch display with 4K Ultra HD resolution and HDR support, providing a vast active area of 20.75 by 11.7 inches. This generous creative space allows for clear and detailed interaction with your work, even on the smallest details. With a 178-degree viewing angle and 140% of the sRGB color gamut, the Kamvas Pro 4K delivers exceptional color accuracy, manipulating over 1.07 billion colors. The large anti-glare display ensures a clear view from any angle. This drawing tablet pairs seamlessly with HUION's latest PenTech 3.0 stylus, offering precise and responsive input. It also includes a built-in stand for stability and comfort. For connectivity, the Kamvas Pro 4K supports USB-C, making it compatible with Windows PCs, Macs, and Android devices, ensuring versatile use across multiple platforms. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.